In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Slack. If you want your team to stay updated without constantly switching between platforms, connecting Monday.com with Slack is a great way to do it. This integration helps send important updates from your board directly into Slack so everyone can stay informed in real time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set it up in a simple and reliable way. To begin, open Monday.com and navigate to the board you want to connect to Slack. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward, since the integration you create will apply to that specific board. If you manage several boards, it's worth taking a second to double check that you're in the right place. Once you're inside the board, look for the Integrate or Integrations option. Depending on your layout or account version, the wording may vary slightly, but it will lead you to the same area where Monday.com connects with outside tools and services. Click that option to open the Integration Center. When the integrations window appears, search for Slack. This makes it much easier to find the correct app, especially if you have a long list of available integrations. Once Slack appears in the results, select the Slack integration to continue. Next, you'll be asked to sign in to your Slack workspace, follow the on-screen prompts, and authorize the connection between Monday.com and Slack. This step allows the two platforms to communicate securely. If you're already logged into Slack, this may go quickly. If not, just sign in and confirm the permissions needed for the integration to work properly. After that, choose the Slack channel and the notification action you want to use. This is the part where you decide what should happen and where the update should be posted. For example, you may want notifications to appear in a team channel whenever an item changes, gets assigned, or reaches a certain status. Choose the option that best matches the workflow you want to support. It's a good idea to think about who needs to receive these alerts so the right people see the right updates. Finally, save the integration and test it. Saving confirms your setup, and testing helps make sure everything is working as expected before you rely on it. If the test message appears in the selected Slack channel, then your integration is ready to go. And that's it. Your Monday.com board is now connected to Slack, making communication faster, clearer, and much easier to manage.